Hi guys, so today I am with a new product that is JioFi, and it is JioFi 3 and the model number is JMR 540. So currently, due to this lockdown situation and this work from home, I chose to buy this JioFi. Initially I went to Jio store to buy it, but they are not selling it individually. We need to get the SIM from there, but as I have a Jio SIM, so I thought that I can buy it from Flipkart, so I ordered it from Flipkart and today it got delivered at my home. So I will open the first wrapper and check the connectivity. Now check the specification. They are offering like 31 devices we can connect. Battery is 2600 mAh. That is slight, they have upgraded from JioFi 2 to JioFi 3. In JioFi 2 it was 2300, and all of the features are same. The price is even same, 2499, but Flipkart they are giving 20% off. So I compared to Jio.com and other sites, the price is similar, like 19999, and as you can see the model number is JMR 540. Now I will do the unboxing. Now we'll check what are the box contains. So this is, I guess, the device itself, and it contains the charger and the data cable and all stuff. So let's see. Now these are the box content. This is the device. I can focus on the panel. Some instructions are there. It's a warranty card that is saying for the device it is 1 year of warranty, and for accessories 6 months warranty is there. Some user manuals. Here the power adapter, USB cable and the battery. So I'll quickly check the adapter configuration and let me focus. It is 5 volt and 1 ampere. So I think it is quite good for this 2600 mAh battery, and this is the battery. Though the product date manufacturing date is 2017, but I have checked every JioFi device is manufactured in that year only. Sometimes you will get 2018, but in 2019 or 2020. So now I will put this battery into this device. I will insert the SIM and will check the connectivity, that what are the. So as you can see, I have inserted the SIM over here. It supports nano SIM, and I must tell you, you should be very much careful while inserting the SIM, because sometimes it can damage the port over here. So now I will insert the battery. And I think it will fit like this. Okay, and now the back panel. This designed in India but manufactured in China. Can't help it. So here is a power button, and the instruction is like long press. So I will long press this one, and the lights are on. Don't know how much time it will take to activate the Wi-Fi. And battery it's not fully charged, so that's why the color is like orange. So I think now I can detect my Wi-Fi. So what I will do, I will connect to this Wi-Fi. So I will use the mentioned connection name and the password over here. Let's see. Okay, so now I have turned on my laptop, and as you can see, it is showing my JioFi connection. So but I will not connect it via the Wi-Fi. I will use this USB cable to connect it. And as you know, like in desktop we don't have Wi-Fi connectivity. Either we have to use a LAN connection or Wi-Fi adapter to connect to the Wi-Fi. So here the method you can use just to connect your desktop to a hotspot network. So first I will insert this cable into the laptop, and now I am going to connect this part with this JioFi device over this point. It is a charging port also, so I'll connect over here. And now you can see the connectivity is like this. So you do not need to buy extra Wi-Fi adapter just to connect your desktop to a Wi-Fi network. You can simply connect to JioFi with a charging cable like USB cable, and you can use the internet. I will try to browse something. So now I will search for YouTube. I'll play this song. I will check the quality. It is auto 360p, so it is based on the network itself. And one more thing I want to mention is, like, I have searched for many devices and they are claiming that JioFi 2 is having better speed, but with the battery reference I bought this JioFi 3 because 300 more battery capacity we are getting over here. So you can use this JioFi JMR 540 model for your internet connectivity. And so as I mentioned, I will do this testing from my mobile handset also. So I have connected the SIM over here, and now you can check the connection is Reliance Jio and the server is Jio Kolkata. So I will press the go button and will check the result, that what is the speed it is offering from a mobile hotspot. And the download speed is quite similar, like 1.27 Mbps. And the upload speed is also the same, like some slight difference is there, but what I can say is, so never expect much better speed from uh, JioFi, because it is depending upon your network strength or network performance of your location. It offers the hotspot speed, but one more thing you should keep in mind, that from mobile, when you are generating hotspot, the mobile itself is consuming some data to run the applications, and but in case of JioFi, it is not consuming any data for itself. So you may experience slight better internet speed from JioFi, but not a big difference will be. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.